Welcome to the channel, folks. This is my 2018 ZR2 Duramax. We're going to go over this build just a little bit and what I'm going to do, everything it has so far. But first, let me give it a quick clean up. Those of you with hairy dogs, get it. Much better. Probably can't tell through the video, but it is clean. You gotta love Pennsylvania winters when it gets dark at 4 o'clock. So this is my YouTube channel. It's pretty new. I'm just getting started out. This is the Colorado ZR2. It is the baby Duramax diesel. So I'm kind of just gonna go over some things, why I got it, you know, the options that it has. Just go over some of the features. It has the optional floor mats in it, the GM ones. They're nice. I mean, they're rubber. I would have probably gotten something like that. Has a nav and everything. I did add this phone mount, Pro Clip USA. And then what I did, instead of the regular mount where the phone would actually slide in, I added this magnet on, and all it does is just snap on there. And it holds it really nice. System. It mounts with no screws or anything. Basically, I pop this off, double-sided tape under and up here, and then it just sits in there. It's really nice. I'm a fan. But yeah, the ZR2 has the heated leather seats. Says ZR2 up here, obviously. Has this completely worthless wireless phone charger because you can't fit any phone in there past about 2010. Locking diffs, hill descent, which is worthless. Tried it once. Exhaust brake, cargo lamp. Yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. I'd like to add the heated steering wheel. Other than that, on the inside, maybe add a sub eventually. They make one specifically for these trucks, which is nice, and I believe it just fits under here in one of these, this side or that side. I'm not sure which one. Just for a little more bass, nothing crazy. Comes with the bed liner from the factory with the little ZR2 badge. So yeah, in the future we'll go over some other stuff I'm going to add to the truck. I've added some things already. You'll be able to see some of them if you have a keen eye. So I decided to just throw in the video of me installing the leveling kit. It's just a quick time lapse just so you guys can see. It wasn't worth doing a whole video just on this short time lapse of like an hour install of a front leveling kit. You guys have seen that. It's nothing special. All it is just the little spacer that sits on top of the strut. And then it also came with the longer bump stops in the front. I don't even know if you can see it up there. It is up there though. So the goal of that was just to make a little more room for bigger tires and get rid of that factory GM. I don't mind the rake, but I like a little more leveled look. So thanks for watching. Next video will probably be some exterior mods, black badges, different headlight bulbs, reverse lights, just little things like that, debadging it. So thanks for watching.